Okay, we are going to do the small basket. First thing is magic ring, 3 chain, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 double crochet. Using this thread, yarn. Yeah, I got it from Daihatsu, I think Daihatsu, and I'm using this on 5.5 or 550 mm. Let's do magic ring. That end. 1 2 3, and then now go to 9 double crochet around. If this one goes hides away, it's fine. Keep going and do 9. Keep this one long, huh? Just now it came out, so keep it long. Okay, 10 already. This one you count this the chain to as 10, so that's why I say 10. The thread, this one you pull it as hard as possible. I say I bite it and I pull. So now do slip stitch on the, yeah, done. So now we're going to the red color pattern. Red color pattern, 3 chain, and all of it is increased double crochet. Here also, forgot, I need to increase that too. My writing didn't go well, so increase here, same. Increase, poke in the, yeah, wow. And keep going till to the here. Now reach here already, all increase already. Now do slip stitch. Yeah, there. So it's done like that. Looks like a bit like a bowl. Like. Now we're going to the green color. Do 3 chain, then the next one increase, and then double crochet, increase, double crochet, increase, like that. Go around until you reach here. So do 3 chain, 1 2 3, done. Now go the next one. Yeah, on the same chain, double crochet. Go around till you reach here. Then my thread finishing already, so I did is I sew up, join them. So that means this one will go for 2 balls if you buy the diet sew one. So I sew it up first, use the as close as possible for this color, and now continue. Now to reach here already, do a slip stitch. Ooh, very hot. Okay, now this one, the purple color one, is 3 chain, and then all is double crochet only, no increase, no nothing, just same like that only. Now keep going, 3 chain, then double crochet. It's a bit hard doing this, yes. My hand's aching. Go around till you touch here, but it's good, looks good. I am doing it from the inside, so I think I want to turn it upside down, turn it in and out, so it'll be easier for me to do it. Yes, so better there, then continue now. Okay, reach here already, do slip stitch, I still have some of this, so I'm gonna do is do slip stitch all around, so it will finish. If not, if still you have, then I'm going to do is 1 chain, and then do single crochet around. So do whichever it is that fits you, the thread you still have, keep going until it finishes up. So I did single crochet all around, and then little bit more to reach here, but I think I'm not going to do anything, just do slip stitch, like that, and the chain, so tied up, so just like that. I'll leave it. Then this one I just do slip stitch, not slip stitch, hide the thread. Okay, just keep going until done. Yeah, done. If you feel this is so not so nice for you, then you do around all slip stitch. Then I don't want to go buy extra 1 more ball just for that. So it's done. That looks nice.